Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Today, we're exploring the dynamic market for orthopedic joint replacement prosthetics in the Middle East and North Africa. This region is witnessing a significant surge in demand, driven by an aging population, rising lifestyle-related conditions like osteoarthritis, and expanding healthcare infrastructure. However, navigating the fragmented regulatory landscape is the single greatest challenge for manufacturers. Let's look at the key markets. Saudi Arabia, the largest market, presents a high-value opportunity. The Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA, has a mature and stringent regulatory system. A European company recently sought to introduce a new ceramic-on-ceramic hip implant. They assumed their comprehensive EU MDR technical file would be sufficient. However, the SFDA required additional biocompatibility data specific to their review process and a different format for the clinical evaluation report, leading to a 9-month delay. This case highlights that a one-size-fits-all submission strategy does not work for the kingdom. You need to adapt your dossier precisely to SFDA requirements, including securing a local authorized representative before you can even begin the submission process. Next is the United Arab Emirates, a major commercial hub for the region. The UAE Ministry of Health and Prevention, MOHAP, often leverages existing approvals from reference markets like the US FDA or European CE marking. This can streamline the initial registration. A US-based scale-up with an innovative knee replacement system successfully used their FDA 510(k) clearance to expedite their UAE application. Their challenge, however, came post-market. They underestimated the requirements for local vigilance reporting and post-market surveillance activities, which must be managed by their local representative. Failing to comply can risk the withdrawal of market access. Finally, consider Egypt. With its large population, it is a high-volume market, but with unique challenges related to pricing and logistics. The Egyptian Drug Authority, or EDA, has its own specific documentation and labeling requirements that can differ significantly from those in the Gulf states. A key challenge here is not just getting the product approved, but ensuring the entire supply chain and post-market process aligns with EDA regulations. The common thread across these diverse markets is the critical need for localized regulatory intelligence and on-the-ground representation. Understanding the nuances between the SFDA, MOHAP, and EDA is not just about compliance, it's about commercial viability. For expert guidance on navigating these complexities and unlocking the potential of the MENA market, you can email info@pureglobal.com or visit Cure Global online.